Well, at long last, the rain is done. Started my survey this morning and the entire thing was just a completely soaked experience. Water coming down from the sky, water falling off of the trees. So I was quite wet all morning, and it's now just a beautiful, beautiful blue day. Decided to head down to the beach, do some filming, and see what kind of exploring and adventure I could get myself up to. One of the things I love about that transition from spring to summer and that kind of early summer is seeing all the different species of wildflower just suddenly appear. You know, going from all these purple flowers to these kind of orange spotted flowers. It really shows you once again my incredible grasp of botanical knowledge that I point out orange flowers versus purple flowers. I don't know the species of just about anything. I know dandelions, and sadly that's about it, but they're super beautiful. I love these spotting patterns on these new orange flowers, and this is the first time I've seen them, but they're super, super gorgeous. So I'm out by Eel Lake. It's kind of a trail that wraps around a lake north of Coos Bay, and finally found a bit of an open spot in the trees. I'm going to do some filming and fly the drone around the lake and kind of enjoy myself before heading out into the survey area where like the last time, I have to kind of go straight down a cliff again, so it'll be nice to have some relaxing walking the evening before the super heinous walk in the morning. Again, not exactly a highly creative choice in that there's lots of places I could potentially explore, but there's something about the way that the tides will just every single day bring in a whole new group of treasures and amazing things to see. The patterns of the sand are always changing. There are always just all sorts of new, novel, interesting stuff to see. So every day it's a new beach to check out, and so I'm gonna go see what I can find out here at the same beach as a couple days ago.